Hi, Mark here. It is Friday, June the 27th, just after 9 a.m. Eastern. That's just after 1 p.m. GMT. Let's have a look how the US dollar is performing going into this last day of the week. US session underway and a continuation of dollar weakness, what we've seen all week. Support already at 96.59, matching yesterday's support. And like yesterday, unable to break lower. US dollar buyers, bit of a fight back. Here's the wick. It's left behind. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see the attempted fight back from US dollar buyers, 96.75 right now. They'll be looking to come up to the 97 level, the resistance level. Sellers, of course, a continuation of dollar weakness, will look for a test of the 96.59 support area. So weak US dollar to start the last trading day of the week. Let's have a look how the majors are shaping up. And there you see very much a case of dollar weakness again, euro strengthening as it has done the whole week against the US. Resistance 117.48. Got support down here at $1.17. If I zoom in on the hourly, you'll see just how strong this Euro rally has been already today. Struggling now at the resistance at 117.48. I'm on the hourly, so that's the euro being sold. US attempted US dollar fight back. Buyers of US will be looking down at the $1.17 or lower. Continuation of euro strength and dollar weakness will look up here to test the 117.48 area. Let's have a look at the pound. Also had a very strong run against the US the whole week. Not as strong as the euro today. You can see that slightly up on the day. I've got support at 137.18 and resistance at 137.52, a little bit lower than yesterday's high. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see sitting in the middle of today's tight range, sellers of pound, buyers of US. If US is to fight back today, will look to break below this 137.18 and come down towards the 137 area. Buyers of US and buyers of pound, sellers of US, a continuation of US dollar weakness, will look up here to the 137.52 resistance area. Let's have a look at the US yen. There you can see US definitely fighting back against the yen. Earlier on, a continuation of selling US, buying yen, setting support at 144.17, resistance 144.83. This bounce up, the wickets left behind, that's US dollar buying. And we'll see that on the hourly, we'll see the bounce. There's the bounce of support. US dollar buyers looking at 144.83 on the upside and looking to come up to the 145 area. A continuation of dollar weakness and yen strength would look at a test below here of the 144.17 support area. And let's have a look at the US dollar Canadian. Canadian's been really strong against the US. Bit of a US fight back on the daily. I can see that. Support 136.27, resistance 136.62. There's the small green candlestick. That's the US dollar fighting back off the support area. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see their support, US dollar fought back, resistance 136.62. Buyers of US, sellers of Canadian will test this resistance area at the 136.60 and come up and look at the 137 would be the goal for US dollar strength, US dollar buyers, a continuation of what we've seen all week being selling US, buying Canadian, would look for a test here of the 136.25 27 support area. So certainly to start the day during the Asian-European session, we saw dollar weakness, US session underway, and US dollar attempting to fight back. We've got our relevant levels to work with, whether US dollar weakness continues or whether it fights back. I will see you at end of day session. Good trading.